In the world of cryptocurrencies, there has long been a heated debate about whether Ethereum could one day overtake the legendary Bitcoin and become the largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. This supposed event has been dubbed as Flippening and has both supporters and opponents on this scenario. And if you're new to the topic of cryptocurrencies or blockchain, I advise you to be sure to subscribe to this channel and give this video a like right now. This way you don't miss new interesting videos on current topics from the world of cryptocurrencies and blockchain. But back to the question, does the alleged flippering have real grounds? Many reputable experts and analysts of the crypto industry believe that yes, and there are main arguments and factors that could lead to Ethereum overtaking Bitcoin. And before we get to the reasons for a possible flippering, let's turn on to the history of Ethereum. Ethereum is an open-source, decentralized computing platform based on blockchain technology. It was developed by Vitalik Buterin and officially launched in 2015. Here's a brief history of Ethereum's development. Concept and creation. Vitalik Buterin first outlined the concept of Ethereum in a wild paper of late 2013. The idea was to create a decentralized platform for executing smart contracts and decentralized applications, DApps. In early 2014, a development team was assembled and work on the project began. Crowd sale and launch. A successful crowd sale was held in the summer of 2014, raising about $18 million in Bitcoins. This funding helped accelerate development. After several test networks, the main Ethereum network was launched on July 30th, 2015. Growth and development of the ecosystem. After the launch of the core network, the Ethereum ecosystem began to grow. Hundreds of decentralized applications were created, and the platform attracted the attention of corporations and entrepreneurs. In 2017, Ethereum's popularity skyrocketed due to the boom in initial coin offerings, or ICOs, that used the platform to issue tokens. So next point is transition to proof of stake. In 2019, Ethereum developers started implementing a major upgrade called Ethereum 2.0, or Serenity. The main goal is the transition from the energy-consuming proof-of-work consensus algorithm to the more environmentally friendly proof-of-stake. The upgrade is taking place in several stages that should significantly improve the scalability and efficiency of the network. Currently, Ethereum remains one of the leading blockchains and continues to develop the ecosystem of applications, protocols, and tools. The transition of proof-of-stake is considered the important step for the continued growth of the mass adoption of the technology. Reasons for possible flippering, well, first, as a key argument, Ethereum is much more functional and versatile blockchain platform compared to Bitcoin. Unlike Bitcoin, which was developed solely for digital currency and savings vehicle, Ethereum allows for the creation of complete decentralized applications based on innovative smart contract technology. Financial services and products utilized by the term DeFi are non-replaceable digital assets, NFT, games with integrated in-game economy, decentralized autonomous organizations as DAO. This is just a small part of what can be implemented on the Ethereum platform thanks to smart contracts. What do you think about the potential of this technology? Please be sure to share your opinion in the comments a little later. Unlike Bitcoin, which performs a rather narrowly specialized function, Ethereum certainly claims to be full-fledged decentralized computer network with virtually limitless functionality and opportunities for the implementation of various applications. This is what makes this platform truly versatile and promising in the eyes of many. Secondly, Ethereum is far superior to Bitcoin in terms of scalability and is capable of processing more transactions per second. And upcoming upgrades like the introduction of sharding solution and a full-fledged transition to Ethereum 2.0 will increase network throughput many times over compared to current figures. Scalability is generally considered one of the key issues for successful mass adoption of blockchain. How important do you think the characteristic is? And will Ethereum be able to fully solve it thanks to aforementioned upgrades? Be sure to leave your thoughts and the comments below this video, and it will be very interesting to discuss this topic in more detail. Well, third, one of the Ethereum's most compelling advantages for the road is likely flippering, so it start planned transition to the proof-of-stake consensus algorithm. Unlike the extremely resource-intensive proof-of-work based mining used in Bitcoin, which requires enormous computing power and prohibitive power consumption, the proof-of-stake mechanism will be much more energy efficient. This will allow Ethereum to position itself as a much cheaper and greener blockchain network than Bitcoin and its competitors. Given the enormous attention that's being paid to environmental issues and the devastating impact of traditional mining on the climate change, Ethereum has a serious advantage in the eyes of the public, as well as the governments and regulators once it transitions to POS. Another powerful factor that speaks in favor of the possible flipping is Ethereum's much larger, more expensive and active ecosystem compared to Bitcoin. While at dawn of the cryptocurrency era, Bitcoin surpassed Ether in terms of the number of developers, startups and projects underway, the situation has completely changed in recent years. At the moment, thousands of teams, entrepreneurs, investors and just enthusiasts are busy creating various decentralized applications, services and products based on Ethereum. The more people involved in the development of the prosperity of the system, the higher its potential and future prospects. What do you think about the Ethereum ecosystem? Are you yourself involved in some project related to it? Please be sure to tell us in the comments. Finally, a growing number of global corporations and institutional players are interested in or already actively working with Ethereum blockchain platform to incorporate modern technology into their business processes. These include giants like Microsoft, JP Morgan, EY, and many other key players in technology and financial markets who are considering Ethereum for use in their own project. Support and cooperation from such large institutional partners is a serious help for mass adoption and implementation of the platform. After all, the participation in prominent corporations significantly increases trust in the system from the public, businesses, and regulators. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video so you don't miss on the further updates on this topic. Due to all of these above factors, many supporters of the flipping idea sincerely believe that Ethereum has a higher, brighter future and much more mass global adoption potential and its solutions, which will eventually allow it to become the leading cryptocurrency, overtaking Bitcoin in terms of market capitalization. But of course, every coin has a flip side, and the alleged flipping also has many skeptics and opponents. Critics often call Ethereum an overly complex, multi-layered and confusing blockchain system, although they recognize its technological superiority over Bitcoin. It's also often criticized for endless postponements of updates and general problems with adhering of the project's roadmap. But what do you think about it? In your opinion, how realistic is the scenario in which flipping does happen and Ethereum overtakes Bitcoin? Or will the first cryptocurrency retain its status as the #1 digital gold or the market for a very long time? Be sure to share your opinion in the comments below this video. As of for now, the predicted flipping never happened. Ethereum is still firmly in second place in the ranking of cryptocurrencies by market capitalization, although it's far behind Bitcoin in this key indicator. However, many reputable analysts consider the likelihood that Ethereum will still surpass Bitcoin in terms of capitalization in the future to be very high. The competition and rivalry between these two major blockchain projects will only increase by year, and only time will tell whether Ethereum will be able to finally overtake Bitcoin, the firstborn of the crypto market, or whether they are destined for a different fate. Please support the development of our channel, subscribe, like this video, and leave your thoughts on the comments below. Until new interesting videos on crypto topics. Bye!